On May 8th, the San Diego Automotive Educators Conference brought together passionate instructors, industry pros, and future techs for a powerful day of connection, collaboration, and hands-on learning. Hosted inside Madison High School's automotive department, the event connected classroom leaders with key players from every corner of the industry. From high school and college automotive educators, to dealership and collision repair, to independent shops, aftermarket suppliers, and workforce development. The day kicked off with a powerful keynote from Marques McCammon, president of Karma Automotive, who reminded us that the future of our industry depends on the educators and mentors guiding the next generation of technicians. From interactive workshops to real-world demos, the conference offered tools, ideas, and energy that educators can bring right back to their classrooms. It was also a hub for meaningful connections, bridging the gap between education and employment, and building pathways to real careers for students across Southern California. And of course, no great event is complete without great food. Attendees enjoyed a delicious lunch from a local small business, supporting the community while fueling conversation. Whether you're in the shop, the classroom, or the boardroom, if you're building the future of transportation, this is your community. Join us next year at the San Diego Automotive Educators Conference. Learn more at sdtechs.org/conference and help drive the future. One teacher, one student, one job at a time.